Alright, previously we have learned before on the probability diagram, and then when we want to find the probability of taking one ball of each color, we know that we can take one case red first, then yellow, then the second case yellow, then red. So before we move on, again realize that alternative method for part B over here is that we can actually take one of the fraction 6 over 10 times 4 over 9, and if you observe that the numerator 6 times 4 is also equal to 4 times 6, and the denominator, which is 10 times 9, is equals to 10 times 9 over here. Instead of doing 2 of it, I do 1 and I multiply by 2, I'll get the same answer. So let's say right now we have extension of the question where I have a third ball drawn from the back. So after I draw the first two balls, I draw the third ball, and now find the probability that exactly 2 of the balls are yellow. So what cases do we have? So in fact, we want to find this one, probability exactly 2 yellow, which means we could have probability, let's say the red ball is drawn first, then the next two is yellow, plus probability yellow, and the red one is second, and the last one is yellow, and we have plus the third case, probability yellow, and the third case is red. So let's do it step by step. If I have the red first, I have 6 over 10 times the yellow. I follow the tree diagram. So 6 over 10, then I want the yellow next. I have 4 over 9 times 4 over 9. And then I want one more yellow, so I have 4 balls, 4 yellow balls at first. I'm left with 3 yellow balls, and the number of balls is 8. So if I go to the second case, yellow comes first, so I have 4 over 10. I'm looking at the second branch at the first draw, multiply by the red one, which is the over here, 4 over 10, 6 over 9. So multiply by 6 over 9, and I want at the yellow, so I have 4 yellow balls at first. I drew 1 at the first draw. I'm left with 3, and total number of balls 8. Then I repeat the third case at yellow, so I have 4 over 10 multiply by 3 over 9. Finally, the red ball, I have still 6 red balls, alright, over total number of balls 8. Do you realize again that I have 6 times 4 times 3 numerator, the second one 4 times 6 times 3, and the third one 4 times 3 times 6. Likewise, I look at the denominator, 10 times 9 times 8, the other second fraction 10 times 9 times 8, the third fraction 10 times 9 times 8. The denominator is the same. So if I can just look at one of it, right, that means our alternative method will be, or we can also do one of it, 6 times 10 times 4 times 9 times 3 times 8, and then I multiply by 3. Then I will have to press the calculator, and I should get 3 over 10. Get 3 over 10. Right, if you like, you can go and press the calculator for this whole set here, right, the 3 of it, right, all 3 fraction multiply the first case, add the second case, and then add the third case. It would still be the same answer, 3 over 10. Right, so I hope this video helped. Hope the alternative method helped, where we do one fraction multiplication, right? We find one case, multiply by 3, that's it.